If you guys create fitness content, I don't care if you call yourself an influencer, a creator, health and beauty, I do not care what you do. I wish that this existed when I first started creating content. I started creating content in 2012. This would be 4 easy steps for you guys. I've been using this for all my clients. I've been using this for myself as of recently. I made a video talking about how I made $60,000 the hard way in 1 month. I just want to show you how you can make money as fast as possible as a fitness creator who is already posting content right now, because this strategy is the easiest fucking way that anybody posting content already. I don't care if you're getting views. I don't care if your views suck and you have a good camera and you just don't know what you're doing. If you're posting content already in the health, fitness, beauty, doesn't matter. This does apply for all niches, but I talk to the gym people. I talk to the gym bros. So let me share this with you. Step number 1. I have tons of products all around that I've been using. This fucking grass wall is a product, but I have tons of products back here on the shelf that I have posted. I started with supplements and I started with content. And you can use TikTok for this or you can use Amazon for this. But what I want you to do, go around your house or your gym bag or whatever it is you have and find 10 products that you already have. Go into TikTok Shop and use this thing that allows you to scan products. When you scan a product, it's literally going to show you exactly what the product is. These are the glasses, these are the blue blocker glasses, and that's literally all you have to do for step 1. Find a product that's already selling. Find a product that people are talking about. Find a product that you use every single day. I don't want you guys to go and find products that you don't give a shit about and you know nothing about, because nobody's gonna believe what you're saying or what you're talking about. Only do products that you already use or that you believe in or that you've been meaning to get or that you want to try. What I want you to do, this is step 2. Make 10 videos on each of those products and pick 10 products. What you're going to do with these 10 videos is take the top performing video of all of them. Once you have the top performing video of all of these videos, pick one from each product. So you're gonna have 10 videos at the end of this that either got over 10,000 views or at least 2 to 5 sales. Because what the goal here is to prove to brands that you can either get views and spread brand awareness, because I promise you there's people on WAP making tens of thousands of dollars every single month, literally just clipping for brands, clipping famous people, taking clips and making ads. Brands are just paying for views. The app Paper by Sedlak, they're paying for views. WAP, they're paying for views. Brands are paying for awareness or they're paying for you to generate money. So if you can either get 10,000 views talking about a brand or talking about a product, or you can get a couple of sales and generate a couple $100s for these brands, either way, you're proof of concept. You're proving you can spread brand awareness or you're proving that you can sell a product. That's step 2. So that's the whole point of you getting 10 products, making 10 videos. Take those 10 videos and shove those 10 videos into your portfolio. Building your portfolio is step 3 of this entire thing. Once you have your portfolio, you already have your proof of concept. Go into your email. This is where you're gonna find the top brands that you wanna work with. There's so many moving parts to this, but we're gonna stick to the basics for this video for all the new guys. You have a portfolio of 10 videos in Google Drive, high quality. Screenshot the stats of that video, whether it's sales or whether it's views, and put it in the same folder with those videos so that they can take a look at it and they can compare, okay, this video you got this many views, or you got this many sales. If you don't have TikTok Shop yet, apply to TikTok Shop Pilot. If you don't have that yet, then you strictly will have the spreading brand awareness, which the whole goal here is to get brand retainers, to get them to pay you a certain amount of money for you to make 30 videos a month. It doesn't matter if you get fucking sales or not. You're spreading brand awareness so that people know about the brand. They see it all the time. It's like the Andrew Tate clip creation method, okay? That's the whole goal. Step number 3 is going to be sending out emails. You're gonna email these brands that you've created this content for, as well as new brands. You can make a spreadsheet. I don't care how you do this. Do outreach. Reach out to brands and say, this is what I have done. Here is my past work. And the framework for this should literally be, here's who I am. I see that you're running a current campaign and I would love to be a part of it and be able to add value to your team. That should be like the first or second line. Third line should be, here's my previous work. This is what I have done. I've gotten this many sales, or I've generated this many views just talking about these simple products. Here's my portfolio. The reason we're using Google Drive, highlight the word here, attach a Google link, and all they have to do is click on it and they can see your Google Drive. Last line in that email should be something very, very simple. I really look forward to hearing from you guys soon. I hope that you have time for a potential brand collaboration, or make it very simple and just be like, all in all, I would just like to know if you guys have time in the potential near future so that we could talk about potentially mutually beneficial collaboration. Simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it. You don't want to make it crazy. So that's the whole thing. Send the email. You should expect 2 to 3 out of every 10 emails that you send to get an actual response. You can do follow-ups maybe once a week. I wouldn't go crazy with it. You can track it all on Google Sheets, have their email, when you sent it, all that good stuff. But get organized, guys. After you have sent these emails, step 4 is going to be very, very fucking simple. Negotiation. Some brands are going to say yes. Some brands are going to say no. Some brands are going to send you more products and they're going to ask you to make a couple more videos for it. Some of them, it just varies so much. But step 4 is negotiation. The very minimum that I could say that you could possibly do. Post 30 videos for $500. That is the very bare bones fucking minimum. I wouldn't even recommend it. I would say more like $1,500 for 30 videos. But if you can get 3 to 5 brand retainers, you can easily stack up to $4,000 to $5,000 a month. And if you get really good at this, you don't have to do just TikTok shop. The point is to get brand retainers so you can spread this content anywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Flips. Doesn't matter where you post it. You can be a fucking Amazon affiliate. It does not matter. We want to avoid the affiliate programs, but that is where we're going to be able to generate our first sales, which is proof, because you have to realize that these brands are looking at you as an investment. They are investing money into you to be a billboard so they don't have to run stupid fucking ads and they don't have to depend on TikTok shop affiliates that do bottom of funnel content that nobody watches and nobody cares about. This is so fucking easy. This is what I've been putting all my clients onto. I've been yapping about this on all these different platforms, just trying to put people onto this. When I first started, I had to get millions of views and prove to brands I could get millions of views and convert people with just my metrics and my pages, and that's what I had to do. Now, with TikTok Shop, it has never been fucking easier in history for you to be able to make money. This is just what I've been doing. This is what I've been putting my family and friends onto. It doesn't matter if you have a big account. It doesn't matter if you have a small account. Everybody knows your first video on TikTok can go fucking viral, and if that does happen, awesome. If it doesn't happen, keep at it. You got it. Everybody knows your first fucking video isn't gonna be a banger, and if it is, congratulations. That doesn't happen to everybody though. I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is what I've been doing. I don't have a script for you. I don't have anything to sell you, but I do have hope for you because I made $60,000 in the year of 2021 as a 22-year-old kid. How fucking old am I? As a 20-year-old kid, I made $60K in 1 month just working with brands and brand retainers. If you guys want to see that video, it'll be up here in the fucking tag somewhere, as well as the video will be in the description. But for all the fitness and health creators out there, they're still working their fucking 9-to-5 job. You work at a gym, you're detailing cars, you're a salesman, I don't care what the fuck you're doing. If you're posting fitness and health content, do this right the fuck now. In 3 months, even if you're just making $3,000 a month, prove to yourself that you can make money doing this. There's so many ways to make money. You can be a fitness coach, you can be a motivation coach, you can be a health coach, you can be a nutrition coach, you can do brand deals. There's so many ways to do it. This is just what I did, this is what I teach, and this is just what the boys are doing. So if you want to make some money and prove to yourself that you can make a full-time income doing this, do this, do these 4 steps. If you have any questions at all, I have shorts about this. I'm more than happy to make a more in-depth video with a screen recording of exactly what I do and how I do this. I'm making a free training about that screen recording and me reaching out to people and posting it. So that is what I would do if I were you. Either way, hope this video helps. Share it with somebody that you want to try this with. Keep you guys accountable. Keep your bro accountable. Or if gals, I don't care, whoever's watching this, I hope that this helps you. Grab a partner. Do this. Fucking destroy the field. I don't know what it's called. I just got back from the gym. I drank coffee and it's 3 in the morning and I'm recording this video because I'm just excited to talk about this and I'm just going to keep putting it off. So that's not what we're doing. I'm here to just share this with you guys. So do this, grab a partner, go fucking crush it, and I hope this video helps and I will see you guys later.